What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to verify your PayPal account. So now first thing you should do is to simply open your PayPal, then log in to your account, and after that now you have to go to wallet. Then once you go to wallet, now you have to link a bank or link a card. So now here, as you can see, in my case I have added both. I have added my bank account and I have also added my card. So let's say that I'm gonna add another one. So all you have to do right now is simply click on link a card. Then they will ask you to enter the debit card number, card type, is it Visa or MasterCard or other type. You need to type also the expiration date and the security code, which you can find it in the back of your card, as you can see as shown right here. And also you have to enter your address, and after that you can simply click on link card. And you can also do the same steps when you link a bank, but sometimes they will ask you about additional information. In this case you will have to add your passport or add your driver license or even your national ID. So in this case you will enter all the data found in any of these documents, and you should also take some pictures of these documents. And if you want to add them right now, you can simply go to the settings icon right here. After that, you should scroll down till you find add passport right here. Now you can click on add passport. Then you will have now to type your passport number, your region. Then they will ask you for more information, and you should take some pictures of your passport. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.